In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start making passive income with copy trading on Lbank and step by step. If you are new to crypto or just looking for a way to trade like the pros without being glued to the charts all day, then this guide is definitely for you. Lbank is a professional crypto exchange that has copy trading built right into the platform, making it one of the easiest ways to get involved in trading even if you have zero experience. But as with anything involving money, there are some risks. That is why I will walk you through how to carefully choose the right master trader, how to avoid common mistakes, and how to manage your risks so you are not blindly copying just anyone. All right, let us start with the basics. What exactly is copy trading? Copy trading is a feature that lets you automatically mirror the trades of a professional trader, often called a master trader. So every time they open or close a position, the same thing happens in your account instantly and hands-free. Here's the cool part. If the trader makes a profit, you make a profit. But of course, if they take a loss, you will also take a loss. So choosing the right person to follow is absolutely crucial. You do not want someone who just got lucky with a few big trades. You want someone with a proven track record, someone consistent and disciplined. Also, quick heads up, there is usually a profit sharing model, typically around 10 to 12%. That means if the trader earns you $100 in profit, you keep $88 to $90, and $10 to $12 goes to them. Honestly, that seems fair. They do the work and you get most of the reward. Now, before we dive deeper, let me tell you why Lbank is actually a great choice for beginners getting into copy trading. Lbank has been around since 2015, making it one of the more established exchanges in the crypto space. But what makes it stand out for copy trading specifically? First, Lbank offers a massive selection of trading pairs. We are talking over 500 cryptocurrencies available for trading. This means the master traders you follow have access to a wide variety of assets, not just the major coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. This diversity can lead to better opportunities and more consistent returns. Second, Lbank has extremely low trading fees. Lower fees mean more of your profits stay in your pocket. And when you are copy trading, every percentage point matters because you are already sharing profits with the master trader. Third, the platform is beginner friendly, the interface is clean, intuitive, and does not overwhelm you with unnecessary complexity. Fourth, Lbank offers generous welcome bonuses for new users. And if you use the link in the description below, you can unlock exclusive rewards that give your account a great head start. This is real value that you do not want to leave on the table. And finally, Lbank has strong security measures in place, including two-factor authentication and cold wallet storage for the majority of user funds. When you are trusting a platform with your money, security should always be a top priority. So if you are a newcomer to crypto trading, Lbank gives you a solid, reliable foundation to start your copy trading journey. You can start learning right now with this tutorial or save this video for later when you are ready to take action. Before we dive into copy trading, let us make sure you have got your Lbank account set up properly. If you do not have an account yet, just scroll down to the description and click on the first link. That is my exclusive partner link. By using it, you can unlock a welcome bonus that can go up to several $1,000s, depending on how much you deposit and how actively you trade. It is definitely a great head start, especially if you plan to take copy trading seriously. Signing up is super quick. Just enter your email or phone number, set a strong password, and you are good to go. No long forms or complicated steps. It only takes a minute or two. Once you are logged in, you will need to complete a quick verification process. This usually involves verifying your email or phone number through a code they send you. Some features might require basic identity verification, but the process is straightforward and Lbank guides you through it step by step. Now here is an important step. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, in your account settings. This adds an extra layer of security that protects you every time you log in. It takes only a minute to activate, but it can save you from a major headache later. All right, now that your account is set up, let us talk about funding it. Hover your mouse on the deposit in the top menu and you will see multiple options. Click the deposit cryptocurrency. Once you click that button, you will land exactly right here, and you will be asked which cryptocurrency you want to deposit. I recommend USTD since most futures and copy trading pairs are based on it. Then select the blockchain network you are sending from. This is very important. Make sure you match the network with the one you are using in your external wallet or exchange. For example, if you are sending USDT via Tron, choose TRC20. If you are using Ethereum, choose ERC20. Getting this wrong can result in lost funds, so double check before confirming. Once selected, Lbank will generate your deposit address. Just copy that, paste it into your sending wallet, and I always recommend sending a small test amount first to make sure everything works properly. Once your deposit has arrived, your funds will show up in your spot wallet. But here's the thing, to use copy trading, your funds need to be in your futures wallet. So what do? Click transfer, select from spot to futures, choose USDT as the asset, and enter how much you want to use for copy trading. In my case, I am transferring my USTD into my futures wallet. This will be my copy trading capital. The transfer is instant and free, so there is no waiting around. Now that your funds are sitting in your futures wallet, let us move on to the fun part, copy trading. From the home page, just head to the top menu and look for the copy trading section under futures. Click on it, and this takes you straight to the copy trading dashboard where everything happens. Here you will see a list of top performing traders, updated in real time. These are the traders you can follow, and the cool part is when they open a trade, your account does the exact same thing automatically. No need to place orders yourself. It is all synced. Each trader comes with a bunch of useful stats to help you choose wisely. You will see things like their profit and loss over the last 7 days, 30 days, or even 90 days, their ROI or return on investment, the total profit their followers have made, how many people are copying them, and their win rate. If you want more detail or want to compare traders, you click on all lead traders. That brings up a full list, and from there you can sort by different filters like total copy trading profit and loss, which in my opinion is one of the best ways to spot consistent performers. This part is super important, maybe the most important step in this whole process. Do not just pick the trader with the biggest percentage gain or craziest returns. Sure, a 5,000% profit might look impressive, but most of the time that is just someone who got lucky or took wild risks. That is not what you want for long-term results. What you really want is consistency. Look for traders with a performance graph that grows slowly and steadily over time, not one that shoots up like a rocket and crashes just as fast. Click into their profile to get the full picture. Check their daily profit and loss. Review their trading history if it's available. Look at the leverage they use. Personally, I avoid traders who rely on super high leverage. It might make big profits in the short term, but it usually ends badly. A trader using 3 times to 5 times leverage with a 70 to 80% win rate is usually a much safer choice. This is where copy trading becomes less about gambling and more about strategic investing. Also, pay attention to their maximum drawdown. This tells you the biggest loss they have experienced from a peak to a trough. If a trader has a 50% drawdown, that means at some point their account value dropped by half. That is a red flag for high risk. Another thing to look at is how long they have been trading on the platform. Profitable trades, win rate, and copier's profit. A trader with 6 months to a year of consistent performance is far more reliable than someone who just started 2 weeks ago. Once you have found a trader you trust, someone with consistent results and reasonable risk, go ahead and click the copy button next to their profile. This is where you decide how much money you want to allocate. If you are just starting out, I recommend starting small, around 50 to 100 USDT, or based on the minimum amount set by the trader. This way, you can learn how copy trading works without putting too much on the line. You can always increase your allocation later once you are more confident. Now you will see the copy trading settings. Let me break them down for you. At the top, you will choose your investment mode. On Lbank, beginners should use Smart Ratio. This means your trades are open based on the lead trader's margin ratio, helping your position stay proportional to theirs automatically. This is the easiest and safest option for beginners. Next, you will see advanced settings. The first important option is maximum follow, also shown as cumulative amount. This sets the maximum total margin you are willing to invest with this trader. Once this amount is reached, Lbank will stop opening new copy trades for you. This is an important risk management tool. Below that, you will see single take profit and single stop loss. These allow you to set a percentage-based take profit or stop loss for each copy trade. For example, you can set a stop loss at 10%. So if a trade loses 10%, it will automatically close to protect your capital. You can also set a take profit, such as closing the trade after a 15% gain. You will also see copy trading stop loss. which applies a global stop loss across your copy trades, and lead trader liquidation settings, where you can choose to follow the lead trader's liquidation behavior. For beginners, it is best to keep these settings on default. Under futures settings, you can see how many futures positions you are allowed to copy at the same time. In this demo, I will keep things simple by using smart ratio mode with conservative default settings. Once everything looks good, confirm the 20% profit sharing ratio. Click Start Copying Now, review your settings, and hit Confirm. And just like that, you are officially copy trading on Lbank. Once your copy trade is live, you can keep an eye on everything right from the copy trading dashboard. There are a few tabs here that are really helpful. The History tab shows you all the trades your copy trader has made. The My Traders tab lets you see a list of all the traders you are currently copying. And the Details tab gives you a clear summary of your performance, profits, losses, and open trades. If your trader has not placed any trades yet, do not worry. It might look empty at first, but everything updates in real time as soon as trades go live. So check back from time to see how things are going. Here's a super important tip before you dive in too deep. Never put all your funds into one single trader. It might be tempting if someone has crazy returns, but trust me, even the best traders can hit a losing streak. Instead, a smart approach is to diversify across 3 to 5 different master traders. That way, if one of them underperforms or goes through a bad week, the others can help smooth out your results and protect your overall balance. Think of it like building your own little hedge fund. You are spreading your risk while giving yourself multiple chances to grow. Also, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Copy trading is not a guaranteed way to make money. It is a tool that can help you learn and potentially earn, but there is always risk involved, especially in the volatile crypto market. Start small, learn the platform, understand how different traders operate, and gradually increase your investment as you gain confidence and experience. And one more thing, do not just set it and forget it. Check in on your copy trades regularly. Markets change, trader performance can shift, and you want to stay informed about what is happening with your money. And that is a wrap. You now know exactly how to get started with copy trading on Lbank from A to Z, from setting up your account to choosing the right traders, managing your risk, and even withdrawing your profits. Honestly, it is one of the easiest ways for beginners to get into crypto trading without having to develop complex strategies from scratch. You are learning by doing and potentially earning while you learn. Just do not forget to use the link in the description to claim your exclusive welcome bonus when signing up on Lbank. That bonus alone can give your account a great head start, and it is real value you do not want to miss out on. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials and guides just like this one. Drop a comment below and let me know which trader you are planning to copy, or if you have any questions about copy trading on Lbank. I always do my best to reply and help out. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Happy trading.